All. National Science Day wishes to all. We are remembering the great C.V. Raman sir for his discovery named as Raman effect. We pray to start our day and finish in prayer. I may call upon my friends to pray.
Really like to me that circling blue. Little me oh, the night is dark and I am far from home. Little me oh, keep to my feet. I do not ask to see the distant sea. One step enough for me. Kindly light to me then circling blue. Little me oh, the night is dark and I am far from home. Little me oh.
Good morning, dear teachers and students.
Good morning, sister.
So, what is the specialty of today?
Science Day.
Science Day. So, do you know why? What Science Day is this? International or national? National Science Day. Do you know why we are celebrating Science Day today? What is it? We are commemorating C.V. Raman. Why? Because of his great contribution to physics, which is called as Raman effect. And do you know what is the Raman effect? A great day for India because he was the first Indian and first Asian to get the Nobel Prize in science or in physics. He is the first Indian and first Asian to get the Nobel Prize in physics. It was in 1930, and he's from Tamil Nadu, which is our just neighboring state. So it is kind of inspiring for you people also to pursue great things and great contributions in physics and to get Nobel Prize when you become adults. Okay. So will you get Nobel Prize? Will you get Nobel? Or at least will you? Anybody wanted to become a scientist here? Anybody?
I invite Felix Sanos for delivering a speech about Science Day.
Just a very warm good morning to all of you. This is a that explains the world around us, from the twinkling stars in the night sky to the tiniest cells within our bodies. It is not just equations and formulas, but a way of thinking, questioning, exploring our unknown. We can imagine a world without the science, a world without the bulb brightens the room, without the medicine that makes feel better when we are in unwell, without the aircraft let us fly through the skies. Thus, science is the reason behind every excellence and human life in this planet. Great scientists were curious children like us. They dared to their dream and to experiment. So, let us embrace our curiosity to make mistakes and learn from them. Today is National Science Day. Let us spread the spirit of the inquiry within ourselves and others. Thank you and happy National Science Day.
I would like to invite Albia Binoy to the stage for enlightening us with updates of scientific world.
Good morning, friends. News of the week. Electrons become fractions of themselves in graphene study finds. Universal antivenom for lethal snake toxins developed by researchers. A new phase of matter, physics achieved first demonstration of non-abelian ions in a quantum processor. New approach to carbon-14 dating corrects the age of a prehistoric burial site. Researchers develop molecules for a new class of antibiotics that can overcome drug-resistant bacteria. Astronomers observe the effect of dark matter on the evolution of the galaxies. Scientists discover exotic quantum interference effect in a topologic insulator device. Astronomers find first strong evidence of neutron star remains of exploding star. Neurobiology examining how bats distinguish different sounds. Superstrong magnetic fields leave imprints on nuclear matter. Paleontologists discover a 240-million-year-old Chinese dragon. Scientists closer to finding quantum gravity theory after measuring gravity on microscopic level. Researchers find destruction of oceans worth of water per month in Orion Nebula. Study shows cloud clustering cause more extreme rain.
Amazing facts about science. I would like to invite students of class 5 for sharing amazing facts.
Dear friends, let us introduce some interesting facts about science. Fact number 1. A cockroach has the ability to live for up to 1 week without its head. Fact number 2. Grasshoppers have ears in their bellies. Fact number 3. Venus is the only planet that rotates in a clockwise direction. Fact number 4. Babies have 300 bones, adults have 206 bones. Fact number 5. An octopus has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. Fact number 6. Bamboo is the fastest growing woody plant in the world. It can grow 35 inches in single day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now, I would like to invite Minha, Samir and team for introducing some important personalities in the field of science.
Today, 28th February, we are celebrating National Science Day. It is the remembrance of C.V. Raman, who received the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. He was the first Asian who received the prestigious award. On this special occasion, we intend to speak about some great scientists. But before that, every year, National Science Day is celebrated based on a particular theme. Do you know what is the theme of this year? Anyone? The theme of this year is Indigenous Technologies for Vikasit Bharat. This year's National Science Day theme underscores a strategic emphasis on enhancing public recognition of science, technology, and innovation. Now we can get acquainted with some renowned personalities in the world of science. Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was an English polymath active who was a mathematician, physicist, astronomer, alchemist, and author who was described in his time as a natural philosopher. He was a key figure in the scientific revolution that followed.
Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who is widely held to be one of the greatest and most influential scientists of all the time. Best known for developing the theory of relativity. His mass energy equivalence formula E is equal to mc square, which arises from relativity theory, has been called the world's most famous equation.
Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person to win a Nobel Prize twice, and the only person to win a Nobel Prize in two scientific fields.
Dmitry Mendelov. Dmitry Mendelov was a Russian chemist and inventor. He is best known for formulating the periodic law and creating a version of periodic table of elements. He used the periodic law not only to correct then accepted properties of some known elements, but also to predict the properties of three elements that were yet to be discovered.
Charles Darwin. Charles Robert Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist widely known for his contributions to evolutionary biology. His proposition that all species of life descended from a common ancestor is now generally accepted and considered a fundamental concept in science. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Teacher, our science teachers, and the all team who had performed here. The program was very nice. Let's give them a clap.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गादा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे